So the Hyundai Veloster Turbo Ultimate comes with the normal Veloster drive modes, and they are accessible via this drive mode button right here on the center console. So when you push that button, you can go between three drive modes. You got normal, sport, and smart, and it just essentially changes the dynamics of the vehicle. Normal is, normal driving, nothing really to mention. Sport makes it a little more sportier, and smart the car kind of works out what's best for you, I guess is the best way I could say it. So now it's smart and it's in normal, but if I use my right foot a little bit harder, it would kind of do a more aggressive map, I guess, in the car. But that's how the Hyundai Veloster Turbo Ultimate's drive modes work. Thanks for watching.